Hello again. I have just a tiny little project this time, and it is that my BOSE logo fell off my door card. It's attached in a place, or at least where I swing my feet in, so it's really easy to swing and touch the logo, and it has kind of sharp edges, so it's pretty easy to just like yank it a little bit. So that's probably what happened with me, and I broke off one of the attachment points. I tried to glue it back on, reused the old logo, but it just fell off instantly. So I just took off the door card and removed the old logo. But I found some new logos of eBay that are the exact same size. First problem was that the attachment points are not really the same, but you can either bend or cut a clip in the back of the logo that's not visible, and then easily attach it, which I did. The other problem was that, it might be kind of hard to see here, the old logo is kind of flat, the original one, and the new logo is a little more shiny and has small black streaks or stripes. So to make it original looking, I just took some sandpaper and sanded down a few millimeters, and then they look identical again. Very easy fix. I was kind of worried I would ruin it, but if we take the old logo here over to my car, you can see that it looks the same. So, very easy to fix, and now they both look perfect again. The funny irony about this is that I hate BOSE, and I think it's the worst speakers I've had in any car I've had. But I do like the look of having just a little bit of detail down there, so I put it back on either way. But changing out the speakers is definitely very high on my priority list. If it weren't for the fact that I like listening to the engine, I would have done it a long time ago. But yeah, and those speakers are definitely not going to be in the car for a long time. But at least now everything looks perfect again. So, small easy project.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.